and of course, the gift of employees, the gift of municipal officials. God is really good all the time, and all the time, God is good. Second, of course, let me acknowledge the presence of our Vice Mayor, Doc Juteri. Abada, uy, masipag palakpak. And of course, the humble representation of this municipality, they were individually introduced a while ago, masipag palakpak. The department heads of this municipality, national, provincial, and local offices, masipag palakpak, kumaigala. To our barangay officials, masipang palakpak. Of course, we have here the presence of the 32 barangay captains. And with us also our different sectors of this municipality. And we consider them partners sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay. The business sectors, masipang palakpak ni Gala. Our partners in our spiritual enrichment, the religious sectors, masipang palakpak. And our partners in peace and order, or men in uniform, masipang palakpak ni Gala. Special mention, of course, our regional director, Director Ernie Mansato, masipang palakpak, this company. And to all of us, maayong gabi, natong tanan. May gabi. Kuratan na biya ko dire. Anyway, mga igala, no? I'm so happy that we have this SOMA, no? And I'm sure this is the venue na atong ma-inform ang atong publiko regarding on what we are doing sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay. For how many years, no? They should know, of course, what's going on in our municipality, our projects, our accomplishments, of course, ang atong future plan sa lungsod sa Mabinay. During my early days as mayor, no? What I did, ang atong mga department heads, I brought them dito sa Bohol. Of course, there in Bohol, we discuss the plans, no? We discuss the future of Mabinay. Knowing Mabinay before, no? We face several challenges. We face several situations. So that in the said consultative meeting, of course, we agreed to have a vision for Mabinay. And what was that vision? The first vision was really to make Mabinay a premier destination in the entire province of Negros Oriental. That was the first, no? And of course, to implement our vision, we came up, no, with an idea that we need a platform, no? Of course, that platform of ours, so-called Wealthy Mabinay, no? Monay amo ang basihan. If funds would warrant, then those projects being ascertained, no? Those programs being identified will be implemented. And what is this Wealthy Mabinay, no? Again, I'd like to mention that the first vision was to make Mabinay a premier destination. The vision that we changed, no? Last 2 years, we agreed na atong usbon ang atong vision. Why? We don't want to stay forever na ingani lang ang atong kahimtang, no? Atong i-upgrade ang atong panginabuhi, atong i-upgrade ang atong nalungsod sa Mabinay. So that last 2 years, our department heads, the sectors, municipality, agreed, no, to have this vision, making Mabinay an agro-industrial tourism. Just the same, we are still using the Wealthy platform to implement this vision of ours. What is W? No? W, of course, it stands for water. Water is life, di ba? You need water for your food. You need water for your plants. You need water every day, no? So that it is an endless intention of this municipality to provide potable and sufficient water supply, no? It's an endless need sa lungsod sa Mabinay, you know, because every year, no, naadyo'y katalingban nga matukod diri sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay. Of course, you take into account the migration sa ato nga lungsod. So that this year, no, several barangays were benefiting sa ato nga potable and sufficient water supply. This time around, no, because this is now the trend, it only to cut, no, the use of power, we're using solar energy, no. There were several barangays. Among these barangays, you have Barangay Luyang, Barangay Lumbangan, Barangay Banban, no? And of course, for this year, we have set aside the amount of additional 20 million for the two barangays, no? Barangay Panyabunan, very soon they will be experiencing level 3 water supply, of course, driven by solar energy. And of course, another Barangay Napasuan, will, of course, experience too, no? The level 3 waterworks driven by solar. And thank you, of course, SB Tata Codera for the supervision. Masipang palakpak ni SB Tata Codera, mga higala, no? And of course, ang ato ng mga patubig sa barangay that we install, no, that we introduce in every barangay, we have a plan, no. Kaya nga no, mga higala, while it is true that we have this Mabinay Water District, but it is a public notice, no, that indeed Water District is already stopping, no, especially in the applications sa mga new consumers, apparently because dili o kulang ang ilahang kapasidad to increase more, no, sa distribution line. So that we had agreed with our Sangguniang Bayan members, no, if we will be installing more waterworks, no, water projects in the several barangays, no, probably we will convert this one into an economic enterprise, no. Of course, talking about water, there's no free, no. Okay, of course, you have to consider the maintenance, no. You have to consider the expenses sa palungtad sa mga programa o proyekto, no. Siguro in 9 years time, probably, no, we will be introducing a program that waterworks in other barangays, not under water district, will be of course run and managed by the local government unit of Mabinay. So masipang palakpak sa atong mga barangay officials. Then of course, days from now, no, because in our regular budget, we have set aside already, no, a budget intended for the acquisition of the so-called geosensitivity tests, no. Unsa ni siya may equipment, of course, this will detect the presence of the water, no, whether or not that area has abundance of water supply. So if we have that equipment, then of course, it will not be a problem anymore installing water in that particular area. Thank you, Engineering Office, Engineer Nonoy asking for that request of yours. No, masipang palakpak, Engineer Nonoy asking mga nagala. Then of course, after water, no, one of our centerpiece in this municipality, ang atong wellness. Just very recently, we launched our Healthy Workplace Ordinance, no? Understand the recently passed that ordinance in our municipality, no? Of course, highlights of that provision, we're giving time, of course, sa ato ng mga empleyado nga kinahanglan po ma-relieve ang ilang stress, no? After several hours of working every day, 8 hours for a week, how many hours? They need to set aside time para po mahimo nga mamaayo ang ilahang pangunahon na away from the problems, no? You notice nga ang atong empleyado mag-TikTok 10 minutes, 15 minutes, no? That's our way of pasabot kaning ma-relieve sila, no, sa ilahang mga trabaho taksa-taksa sa atong mga offices. And of course, under the DSWD, when we had our consultative meeting with the department heads, no, ang atong the after ang welfare sa atong katawan sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay, You learn from, of course, from us that eventually ang atong DSWD will acquire the 4.5 hectares that we set aside in Barangay Panyabunan. A regional facility from DSWD will be erected in the said area. And what is this facility? It will house the center sa ato nga elderly, the center for women's, the center for our children, and of course, we will be housing the so-called Bahay Pag-asa. Kaning Bahay Pag-asa, mga higala, ito mga youth offenders, this will be placed in this facility, Malba, Abrel, and of course, the said facility, na diha ang mga activities, and I'm sure it's more on rehabilitation, and I am sure once they're placed there, they will change their heart, they can be transformed in the said area, and that's our dream in this municipality. Of course, aside from wellness, we have our women's in this municipality. The women's is considered partner in progress, Ang atong mga kababaihan diri sa lungsod sa Mabinay, we associate diri sa lungsod so that they will be spiritually empowered, they will be economically empowered, Kay daghan kayo diri sa kababaihan sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay nagikinahanglan og suporta sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay. That's why we are giving them, of course, ang ato mga livelihood programs, ang ato mga livelihood activities, so that when the time comes, at least di na sila magdepende sa ato nga gobyerno on their own, after acquiring the necessary skills and training, on their own pwede na sila makahimo o negosyo sa ilahang kaugalingon. After W, let's go to letter E. Letter E. Letter E stands for education. We recognize the presence of our DepEd supervisors. They're all here. Masipag palakpak, mga higala. And of course, our SQ principal are also here. Our school heads. And we have also here a Norso family led by Dr. Lester Cabonillas. Masipag palakpak, mga higala. Education is not devolved in the local government unit, Notwithstanding, nevertheless, we're giving paramount importance to education because we always believe, that through education we can erase this vicious cycle of poverty. Kaya kaning edukasyon dili ni mawala, dili maprinda, dili ni siya makawat. Mao ni asinda sa ato nga utok, mga higala. So that I'm happy that the Sangguniang Bayan approved the expanded scholarship program, especially to our poor but deserving students of this municipality. It's expanded. Kaya dugan na ni. Then of course, we increase the number of scholars. We also increase the assistance that we'll be extending to our deserving scholars of this municipality. In our scholarship program, we emphasize on agriculture. We're giving much on agriculture. If you are enrolled in agricultural courses, you will be given 14,000 a year, mga higala. Thank you so much sa atong Sangguniang Bayan for this cooperation. And if you are enrolled in regular courses, you will be given another 7,000 one school year. Masipang palakpak, mga higala. You might ask why nganong dako ang atong agriculture? Why giving a distinction? Agriculture. Kay nganong dako? Tungod kay Mabinay is substantially agriculture. And the irony, during the previous enrollment, jutay kayo ang nagpa-enroll o agriculture, mga higala. So that our local leadership, we agreed to spend more, to invest more on agriculture. Kay Mabinay is substantially agriculture, mga higala. Then of course, under education, mga higala, I'd like to commend also ang atong Sangguniang Bayan Okay, just very recently, no, they approved a resolution giving recognition especially to our students who are excelling in academic performance. For those who will be graduating summa cum laude next year, they will be receiving 25,000 mga higala. For those who will be graduating cum laude, they will be given 20,000 mga higala. And for those who will be graduating cum laude, no, they will be given 15,000 mga higala, no? And thank you, SB Kuya EJ, no, as Chairman Committee on Education for sponsoring this ordinance mga higala, no? And of course, we have to present this one in our budget deliberation, and I am sure, no, the same will have to be set aside for implementation next year, mga higala. Masipang palakpak, mga higala, no? And of course, other than the scholarship program, the incentives that will be extending to our students, no? We are also giving infrastructure support, especially to our schools, mga higala, no? This is now the policy of the municipality. If we have a central school, no, mandatory dyan mga higala, we need to have a covered court, mga higala. We have 4 districts in Mabinay, mga higala. I think this is the second municipality na adunay upat ka district, mga higala. And it was agreed, no, that it will be a policy for every central school established in our municipality, there should be one covered court, no? In the 4 districts, we lack only one because there's one covered court in Barangay Abis, but we don't have a covered court yet in District 4, Mangala. I'm sure next year, they will have a budget for the construction of a covered court, mga higala. Central School, Mabinay, mga higala. Of course, naa sila sa sentro, no? This year, they enjoy a 4.5 million. Of course, the construction is ongoing for the construction of covered court. And this will have another 2 million for the construction of a main gate in Central School, mga higala. Masipang palakpak, no? Then of course, mga higala, no? Talking about education, no? When we had the consultative meeting the other day, because I consulted them, because my style of leadership is consultative, no? Much as you wanted to consult the different sectors, but we're running out of time, so that instead I consulted the department heads, especially the district supervisors, and I asked them to present 5 major programs and activities in the municipality of Mabinay in a period of 9 years. Of course, they presented, no, an idea. Sounds ambitious, but for me, I am sure makabot na taking into account the number of schools that we have, high school and elementary, no? Of course, the dream to have a division in Mabinay, mga higala, no? A standalone division. Because I understand, to have a division, one requirement is a cityhood, no? Although we're not a city, but I understand that's the general rule. We have an exception, and we can always present a justification. And thank you for this presentation of yours sa ato nga DepEd. Masipang palakpak ang DepEd, no? Norso people is here. And of course, we consider Norso a partner, especially in producing quality education in this municipality. We have several professionals. It's because of the Norso presence, mga higala, endlessly, no? Until now, ang atong lungsod sa Mabinay, katabang gyapon sa Norso. We're making it sure that every year, Norso will be given a share, no? And of course, for this year, no, we set aside the amount of 1.5 million for the implementation of your access road, no, inside Norso, mga higala. This year, we have set aside another 1 million in addition to the initial operation that we started, no? Of course, for the bleachers of the covered court inside Norso, mga higala, no? And of course, for this year, we also set aside the amount of 10 million for the concreting of the road, no? From the main road leading to Norso, Maynila. I'm sure di na mapandol ang ato ng mga estudyante, ana, no? So thank you so much sa atong Sangguniang Bayan members for being a partner, especially in producing quality education of Norso, Mabini. And congratulations to our newly installed Administrator of Norso, Dr. Lester Cabonillas, kasi pang palakpak mga higala, no? And for this year, Mingala, before I would forget, no? Congresswoman Maysa Garbaria called me, and I was told that there's this 10 million ihatag for the construction of another school building diya sa Science High, mga higala. Masipang palakpak sa atong good Congresswoman Maysa Garbaria, mga higala. And of course, just last week, no, after the regional activity of the Department of Education, they have this RCEL, Regional Convergence of Education Leaders, no? And of course, we witness, and of course, all of the district supervisors, the division superintendents were here during that regional activity. Giganahan sila sa Mabinay. It is for this reason, no, that the Regional Director Ramer Oitico, no, presented a letter before the council and before the officials if we could donate 1 hectare for the regional training center in this municipality, mga higala. Palakpak! Isa wala kami kabalog-asan na pita, i-donate. No? But I am sure no, that will be given weight and credence by this leadership because we consider education of paramount importance since this is a basic service. No? Someday, a regional training center will be erected in this municipality. Salamat kayo sa ato nga education sector, mga higala. After education, of course, we proceed with the environmental protection sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay, no? And I'm happy that the one leading our environmental protection is a very outstanding department head, no? I understand the work is so tedious and it would need technical expertise, but knowing her as a doctor, no? And of course, knowing her experience, dili jud lisod ang paghimo o protektar sa ato nga environment sa lungsod sa Mabinay. And thank you, Dr. Rosario Okay, masipang palakpak, mga higala, no? She is now a regular Menro head of this municipality, masipang palakpak, mga higala, no? So talking about environmental protection, during my early days as mayor, we acquired more than 12 hectares of lot, no? At Barangay Panyabunen, and we use that one formally as our open dump site, no? But there's disorder, and we're told to close the dump site, no? Nahimo itong controlled dump site. Now, we're implementing a standard landfill, mga higala, sa maong lugar, no? Unsa may atong i-dispose sa ato nga sanitary landfill. These are the residual waste sa ato nga lungsod, mga higala. And I'm so happy, no? Because it's ongoing and we need, of course, another budget for the completion. And without hesitation, the provincial leadership under Governor Chaco Garbaria, no, set aside the amount of 6 million for the completion of our sanitary landfill in this municipality. Salamat o atong palakpakan si Governor Chaco Garbaria, mga higala, no? Daghan kayo nga mga activities ang atong Menro. And I'm sure this is a public notice. Especially ang ato nga tree planting activities. Every barangay, we're encouraging you to plant a tree. And not only planting the tree, make sure ato ni siyang galmon, no? Kinanglan ato ning alimahon, mga higala, sama sa usa ka tawo ang kahoy. We encourage them to plant trees, especially near sa ato mga water source, no? We need to establish a watershed for us to preserve more water. And we even encourage you to plant baliti trees. Baliti trees, why? Kaya nga no, mga igala, mas daghan ang ma-preserve na tubig kung usa ka dalakit, mga igala. Beside, wa di mo putol og dalakit. Kaya nga naman, na may gaatang sa dalakit, mga igala. That's why we're encouraging you to plant balete or dalakit, especially katong duol sa mga watershed areas, mga igala. And thank you for the never-ending tree planting sa ato nga Menro Head, Pani Ferrer Okay, masipang palakpak, mga igala. Then of course, I asked Pani, no, ang atong Menro Head, because we had grown trees already in the said area. Now we have a buffer. Inya, nindot naman dyan kayo ang ato nga landfill. If within 9 years, if it will be feasible to convert that area into an eco park, mga higala. And according to our Menro Head, very possible and very feasible, mga higala. Salamat o masipang palakpak, mga higala. No? And of course, aside from that, no, I give instruction to our Menro Head to make a study, no, and to sit down with our local legislators. If you could make a policy, pass an ordinance, set aside an area of not less than 3,000 square meters per barangay, no? Let's plant a tree in that said area and let's establish a tree park sa atong tagsa-tagsa ka barangay. Okay ba ni, mga barangay kapitan? Isang kamot sa okay? Okay? Okay tanan, mga barangay kapitan. Salamat, masipang palakpak, mga igala. Having that, no, I'm sure we'll be solving, if not reducing, no, global warming in our municipality, mga igala. Of course, after the environment, no, by the way, we still have under environment, no? You notice that Mabinay, we have several reserve areas. We have huge area for timberland. But what we have now, no? There's no more timber. What's left is only land, no? So that we agreed with DNR, if only to fully utilize the area. Very soon, no, we will be agreeing with DNR that we will be utilizing the timberland of this municipality and convert that one into institution, build-up areas, and other, no? So that same will be utilized. Mapuslan na siya, mga higala, no? So, I'm sure we will have a 10-year arrangement with DNR people eventually, mga higala. Next, after environment, no? Of course, let's proceed to another E. You have education, you have environment, and you have the economic services. Guro, dagan na nakita nato, halos every barangays, you have road concreting projects. Sa atong alungsod, 32 barangays, if I'm not mistaken, may gala, duha na lang ka barangay na dili pa kompleto ang atong saminto from poblasyon down to the barangays ni gala. What's left? We have barangay na Pasuan and barangay Bugnay na lang, mga higala. But the good thing, because what we have right now, we have an ongoing construction for road concreting in the amount of 20 million, courtesy from Congresswoman Maisa Sagarbarria, concreting from Barangay Tadlong leading to Barangay Napasuan, mga higala. Salamat o masipang palakpak, Kongresista Maisa Sagarbarria. I understand this is an inter-year project, mga higala. Pasabot ano, next year you will have a second phase until the completion of the said project. Very important ang atong mga kadalanan, mga higala, no? Nga naman, muni atong gamiton sa atong mga mag-uma, no? If we have farmers in a hard-to-reach barangays, if you have good road network, mga higala, no? Their produce can now be easily transported down to the market, mga higala. In other words, apparently, you will be increasing the economic activity of the different barangays in our municipality, mga higala, no? And of course, for how many years we have introduced improvement in our market, and that is one of the economic driver ang atong presensya sa atong merkado, mga higala. We have the so-called Mabinay Central Business District, and you have several stools. You have this wet and dry market. I was informed by our treasurer and of course sa atong newly installed market supervisor that our market stools is 95% ang occupancy rate mga higala. Masipang palakpak mga higala. Salamat Normandy, Carpio for the good leadership. Pasabot ano yung mga higala. 2 years from now, 3 years from now, makulang na niya itong stools. Kaya 95% occupied man. Dagang negosyo sa ato malungsod sa Mabinay. With this mga higala, we are increasing our local revenue. According to our Economic Enterprise Office, under the Treasurer's Office, total, we're collecting almost 30 million a year because of this initiative, mga higala. Masipang palakpak sa ato mga offices, And of course, it is the dream sa ato ng leadership, mga higala. Given the situation, probably after 3 years, we are contemplating of constructing another modern, smart public market in this municipality of Mabinay, mga higala. Masipang palakpak. Then of course, we're so happy, the business sectors, because they are a partner sa ato malungsod sa Mabinay. Nagkadaghan ni atong business sectors. Gani na si CGM, CGS, nating AFBOT, and you see also that the construction of a Prince Hypermart is also ongoing, and that will contribute a lot, especially in our job generation. And apparently, it will again increase the economic activity of our municipality thanks to the business sectors. Masipang palakpak mga higala, Then let's proceed, to another, aside from the economic services, let's proceed to agriculture. Agriculture, mga higala, Importante kayo ang agrikultura sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay. Why? Because Mabinay is substantially agriculture. We need to extend our support services sa atong mga mag-uma, mga higala. If you notice, mga higala, ang atong lungsod sa Mabinay, for how many years? Sige lang tubo. Sige tanila og sudyot. Let's diversify. Let's plant another crops other than sugarcane. Pero unsa may nabutang gyapon sa atong farmers, lami ra gyapon ang tubo. Kay sayon kayo pagtanom. Itanom nimo bunlayat tulo ka bunlay, maka-harvest na ka. Mo ni among sige hangyo, you diversify because you have corn, you have rice, and you have root crops and other agricultural product unta, mga higala. Muna sa among vision for this years to come, mga higala, is to make Mabinay an agro-industrial tourism. You have vast area in agriculture. You have several agro products, but what went wrong, mga higala? Where ang ato nga mga agricultural product is sent outside. Is sent outside the province, is sent outside sa ato nga lugar, mga higala. When it's back, it's already processed product. It's a finished product already. Nangutan ako sa akong kaugalingon, dili ba ni pwede na to? Nga kita mo process sa Mabinay, So that we came up with this vision, agro-industrial tourism, higala. We wanted to invite investors, especially investors na invest og mga processing plant, Let's process our agricultural product here. Let's produce the finished product here, Because if we have these investors, if we have this processing plant, this will produce a multiplier effect. Among other things, this will increase the employment, this will increase the economic activity sa ato lungsod sa Mabinay, and I'm sure this will also increase the migration, mga higala. Ang ato mga katawan, they don't need to go out to work They don't need to go abroad to work, but naa na diri ang oportunidad sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay based on that vision of ours. Presently, I'm working with Silliman University and NORSO, of course, especially in the conduct of our feasibility study. No, we will try to assess whether or not the said vision of ours is feasible. But I'm sure, and I presume, no, said vision of ours, this is very feasible for municipality of Mabinay, mga higala. No, and of course, talking about agriculture, it started when the mayor of this municipality, no, is an agriculturist, an awardee, mga higala, outstanding mayor, ang atong former mayor, nung Pintoy Baldosa, masipang palakpak, mga higala, awarded as one of the outstanding farmer, no? During his time, he extended already the support services, among others, the giving of free fertilizers, the giving of free seedlings, and of course, the provision of subsidized farming, mga higala. Ato rang gisunod ang mga programa sa atong former mayor, now SB, when it comes to our support to agriculture. Salamat kayo, Honorable Pintoy Baldosa, pasipang palakpak, mga higala, no? And I'm sure, no, you witness sa ato karon nga situation. You have the so-called RSSI infestation, especially in Mabinay. Sa lungsod sa Mabinay, we have 14,000 hectares. And to date, I was informed by municipal agriculturists that more than 6,000 hectares already are infected, no, and affected because of this RSSI infestation, mga higala, no? So that we have an immediate solution, we conducted a massive spraying, and of course, because of this, atong i-activate ang atong incident command system. And thank you, Dr. Dindo Morganda, no, of course, for the advice. And we're doing well, no? And karong adlaw, orang ika-5th day na to sa atong massive spraying. I'm so happy that we have the support from farmers, we have the support sa atong na barangay officials, mga higala, no? That's for our immediate solution, talking about RSSI infestation. But the question, what will happen? What will happen if after this year, next year, years to come, you still have the RSI infestation? Mag-record ang atong situation sa RSSI. So that when we have our consultative meeting, it was presented by our municipal agriculturists. Let's have a biocontrol laboratory sa lungsod sa Mabinay, mga higala. Salamat for this recommendation of yours, Tilani Malakapay, masipang palakpak, mga higala. And I'm so happy that the council, through Honorable Ilan Kadayday and Honorable Pintoy Baldusa, and the rest, no, they have this draft ordinance establishing a biocon laboratory sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay. This is a long-term solution. We will be studying the disease, we'll be studying the infestation, the insects, o unsa pa diya, mga higala, so that we will not have a problem when it comes to future infestation, mga higala. That's our long-term plan within 9 years, mga higala. Salamat kayo sa atong municipal agriculturists, sa atong technicians, for the hard work that you expended during this RSSI infestation situation. Masipang palakpak sa atong mga technicians, mga higala. And of course, no, remember that we have this huge tract of farmland, especially sugar. As I've said, and I like to rewind, we have 14,000 hectares. We need an investor for this. We need a sugar mill, no? So that we will be submitting our proposal before the SRA office, and of course, SRA will be looking for investors for a possible establishment of a sugar mill in this municipality, mga higala. Masipang palakpak sa ato mga sangguniang bayan members, no? And of course, talking about agriculture, poultry is part and parcel of agriculture. Ang ato nga lungsod, you have several poultries sa mga manok, mga higala, di ba? I'd just like to inform you that in the entire province of Negros Oriental, we are supplying more than 50% the needs of Negros Oriental, mga higala. no? So that ang atong ginuhuna mga higala, because of the presence of the poultries mga higala, we need to have a dressing plant. We need to have a fermentation plant, no? So that ang ato nga office, of course, through the help of our executive assistant, Kuya Rangel Estimar, and our spot agriculturist, we presented a proposal before the DE, no? That we will, of course, avail of the so-called fermentation plants and dressing plants sa lungsod sa Mabinay under the PRDP program, Kuya Rangel, no? Salamat kayo, Kuya Rangel, no? Hopefully, that will be given weight, no? So long as our documentary requirements will be done and it will be presented, no? We'll make a follow-up. Let's make sure na atong ma-avail ang said planta para sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay. If you have a fermentation plant, no? If you have poultries, the manure that will be produced, no? Of course, that will be used for our organic fertilizer for our farmers, mga higala, no? So anyway, Migala, after agriculture, as I've said, I mentioned about roads. No, we have several roads this year, every year. In no case, wala to tayo dalan, especially our partnership with Congressman and Governor for this year. Ang atong lungsod sa Mabinay, we're able to allocate like 120 million, good for 15 barangays. No, and of course, ang atong kongresista was also able to set aside almost 100 million for another road concreting project para sa lungsod sa Mabinay, and I'm sure with that dako kani nga support services sa atong mga mag-uma mga higala, masipang palakpak, no? But just the same, di gyapon nato mahuman og saminto og dili gyud nato tanan maduphan ang pagsaminto sa sitio. Knowing the limitations sa barangay, knowing the limitations sa lungsod, sa province, sa national, no? We need to prioritize. We choose those roads that are considered critical, especially those roads leading to our cities and barangays, especially katong dagko o daghan na produkto mga higala sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay. But we're happy, no? But meantime, we don't have a budget. We have our good governor, Chaco Sagarbaria, since nidaog siya till now, no? We still have the heavy equipments. Usa kaset para makundak og road rehabilitation. For that, this is a good demonstration that our good governor, si Chaco Sagarbaria, kanunay ga-after sa kinahanglan sa atong mag-uuma. Salamat, Governor Chaco Sagarbaria, basipang palakpak mga higala, no? Of course, after agriculture, let's proceed to another program, no? Accountability, no? Sa lungsod sa Mabinay, although we are not expecting, no? We have these awards for how many years of hard work, no? And I will say, excellence service sa atong department heads, no? Because of teamwork, because of good leadership, no? Because of integrity, we're able, of course, to receive these awards. First, the seal of good housekeeping. This is an exercise, no, of our principle in transparency and accountability. Mabinay, we're so transparent. Ang atong budget, gikas pinakagamay, hangtod pinakadako, we're making it sure na it will be posted, nga mabasa sa kadaghanan o giunsa ang atong pundo sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Because of this move, no? Because of this scheme, ang DILG mihatag kanato og award very consistent every year. Naabot ay award gitawag og seal of good housekeeping, masipang palakpak nato. Salamat kayo sa atong treasurer, sa atong accountant. No, of course, thank you also to our very youthful, dynamic DILG officer, Ma'am Maricar Olyage, of course, for assisting us, especially in producing this seal of good housekeeping. Masipang palakpak mga higala, no? Another award, the seal of Kalasag Award mga higala. No? What is this Kalasag Award? This is an award from the Civil Defense, awarded sa mga lungsod na maayo ang disaster preparedness, na maayo ang humanitarian assistance mga higala. Because of the good leadership, sa ato nga Eldrin Head, no? Dr. Dindo Amorganda. We're so consistent in our award. Sa Tibok Region, top 1 ang Mabinay. And of course, last 3 years, sa national level, top 3 ta. Last year, top 2 in the entire country ang atong lungsod, mga higala. Masipang palakpak, Dr. Dindo Amorganda, mga higala. And of course, we have this award na gitawag og Seal of Good Local Governance. Kaning Seal of Good Local Governance, this is the highest award, the most prestigious award. And I'm sure the RIPAC is this one. Now, to get this award, very tedious. We have several parameters. As I've said, they change the requirements too hard for one municipality to pass this so-called Seal of Good Local Governance. I'd like to inform you that in the entire province of Negros Oriental, there were only 2 LGUs who got this award. One is Mabinay, mga higala, masipang palakpak, mga higala. And in the entire province, in the entire region, only few LGUs passed the Seal of Good Local Governance, mga higala. Ang lungsod sa Mabinay, kaduha na ta midawat aning Seal of Good Local Governance. Thank you for your teamwork sa atong mga departments. Masipang palakpak, mga higala. Another award, mga higala. Just very recently, last year, mga higala, we received the Subay Bayani Award. This is a national award given sa ato mga DILG for those LGUs, nga maayong implementar o mga national project, mga higala. If there's a national project, extended the LGU, and we speedily implement, mga higala. And of course, the project is producing an impact to the community. Hinungdan nga ang lungsod sa Mabinay naka-award og Subay Bayani. In the entire province, duha ra pud ka lungsod. Apil ang lungsod sa Mabinay, masipang palakpak, mga higala. Actually, ako na siging himo og announcement sa atong department heads. I'm not after the awards. I'm after the service. And I'm after the result. It's not the accomplishment ng atong emission. Ang atong emission ko ang katauhan na katagang tamba sa serbisyo sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Okay? And of course, after accountability, we have good governance. Sa lungsod sa Mabinay, just last year, ato na ta ang ato nga serbisyo sa new government center, mga higala. A new government center, it was the right decision. It's central sa ato nga lugar, very accessible, 6-class national highway, and of course, it's equipped with elevators for pregnant mothers, for PWD, for senior citizen. Of course, they have to take elevators if only they reach the services of our respective offices in our municipality, mga higala. And for this, thank you kayo sa atong Sangguniang Bayan for the endless support, mga higala. Other than the new government center we have, another good news sa lungsod Mabinay, I think this is already a public notice, that Mabinay will be hosting the regional centers, the regional offices. To date, we have 4 regional offices that will be erecting here in our municipality. Namely, we have the Coast Guard. We have group from Coast Guard. This is the initial team, nga gipadala diri, of course, to take care of the lot that we set aside. Atong gi-donate nila, mga higala. Muari diri ang Coast Guard months from now, if not early next year, I was informed next year, if not this year, they're gonna start the erection ready. Can we have a video of their plan if we still have time, Kuya Ranchal? Let's watch. Kami ng bukong tubig. Masipang palakpak sa atong Coast Guard. To set aside 10 hectares Coast Guard is near Science High School. And this is what we will see years from now. And I'm sure they will start erecting, rebuilding phase by phase. They will start this year, and you will have another budget next year. One of our talks ni Governor, ni Congressman, why Mabinay Coast Guard? In Mabinay, may dagat. I made them understand, if you don't have sea, natay Mabinay Spring. When I was told, it is not a problem. Kaya nga mga igala, even if wala tayo dagat, so long as the LGU nearby, na dagat, like Baay City, that will suffice the requirement of establishing a Coast Guard in our municipality, mga igala. Salamat, Coast Guard. Ay dagat Kung wala'y dagat, maghimot ang dagat. And of course, other than Coast Guard, mga igala, we have the regional office sa PNP, mga igala. Months ago, we have the regional director and we have the bids and awards committee. And I was told, and we're told, mga igala, that very soon, they will start also erecting the regional office of PNP in this municipality, mga igala. Asa man ni, ang 10 hectares, dool ni sa Norso, Sir Guard, And another regional office, ang atong Bureau of Fire Protection, mga igala. The other night, the same venue, we conducted the MOA signing, It's an agreement, that they will establish the regional office in this municipality, an agreement also that we will be giving 10 hectares for the establishment and construction of the regional office in this municipality. And thank you, Fire Chief, Hector Villasario, masipang palakpak, mga igala, for facilitating the MOA signing, mga igala. Aside from Coast Guard, aside from PNP, aside from the Bureau of Fire, we have also our DSWD. DSWD is also intending to erect their center. As I said, it was mentioned, the 4 centers. Center for Elderly, Center for Senior Citizen, Bahay Pag-asa, Center for Women's also, Megala, in Barangay Panyabunan. Masipang palakpak, Megala. Then we have here our RD. Just this morning, Just this morning, another good news. Because this morning, atong giinugurahan, atong giabri ang NBI sub-office sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Masipang palakpak. Of course, we have also here the presence of our good regional director, Director Monsato, masipang palakpak. And company, masipang palakpak, may gala. Never my expectation that Director Monsato and his company will be attending our SOMA. Salamat kayo. This is a dream come true sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Of course, this will save our time. This will cut our traveling expenses. Economically, very advantageous sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Kaya nga, di naman tayo matug dumagit Di naman tayo matug bakulod. Of course, to avail the NBI certification, manigala. Remember, before you work, you have to submit requirements. And one of the requirements is, of course, the NBI clearance. And not only clearance ang i-issue, mga higala, Because we had a talk with the director together with Isang Niyang Bayan. Ang atong NBI regional director is asking another lot, mga higala, because they will be establishing the regional facility also in this municipality. They're asking like 3,000 square meters. And of course, that facility will house sa ilahang scientific, ilang DNA testing, ilang medico-legal, And of course, it will be a training facility sa ato nga NBI. And thank you for this proposal of yours, Director. Masipang palakpak, may gala, The more regional offices here in Mabinay, the merrier we are sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Makadaghan ang tao, Makadaghan ang tao, daghan pong kugihan sa ato ang mga empleyado ng regional offices, and I am sure, this will be a shortcut on our cityhood sa lungsod, sa Mabinay, masipang palakpak, mga higala. No? And of course, another, no? Sa ato nga programa, ang letter T, ang tourism. We're so blessed because Mabinay, we have several natural resources. Among others, we have the natural spring, we have the caves, we have the falls, no? And of course, magisgot ta o Cuiba, ang Mabinay is the cave capital of the Philippines, no? Because of the caves, ang Mabinay, nahibalan ta. We were advertised. Because of Mabinay Natural Spring, we were also advertised, no? And I'm so happy na there is Mabinay Spring, no? Guro, makita ninyo before, lisod kayo bisitahon ang Mabinay Spring. Karon, you have a good management. And thank you, Ma'am Chris Nicolas, for this good leadership, no? And management. Mga higala, you witness, you see the substantial changes. This facility is one of the changes. This is known as compound after Congressman Chiquitings Garbaria because he started this one. When he was here before, I was told, why not make another function? Because what we have there, the Spring Farm, is a smaller function. How can you accommodate visitors if you don't have a bigger function? If you don't have accommodations? So that I'm happy because our good Congresswoman, just very lately, no? They set aside the 10 million, phase 1. We are now starting the construction of additional accommodation in this Mabinay Spring, mga higala. Salamat kayo, Congresswoman Maisa Garbaria. And what you see at the back, no? That's 20 million nearing completion. That building that we see, no? Courtesy from the provincial government, Governor Chaco Garbaria, masipang palakpak, mga higala. When he was here, when we have the activity in Barangay Sama, no? I was informed that he will be preparing another 49 million for the development of Mabinay Spring and would include the completion of this building, would include a park, would include another construction of 2-story accommodation, mga higala. With this, mga higala, no? Sa atong gibuhat sa Mabinay Spring, this will entice visitors, foreign and local. Mabinay Spring, ang atong NPLAX diri perting daghana, no? In the entire province of Negros Oriental, usa tas lungsod nga bisitaon because of Mabinay Spring, mga higala. This year, no? Ang ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay, mga higala, we are also set-asiding fund for the additional stalls diri sulod, mga higala, and of course, the newly open pool, mga higala, no? Dako po kayo ng ikatabang. Next month, we will be increasing the rate. But notwithstanding, mga higala, no? Just the same, kita po yung pinakabarato sa ato mga fees sa tibuok Negros Oriental, no? I'm sure ang ato mga local revenue, because of this economic enterprise that we have, mutaas ang atong local revenue. And thank you, Ma'am Chris, for the good management sa atong Mabinay Spring. Masipang palakpak, mga higala, no? And before I will move, no? Ang atong Mabinay Spring, we still have a huge area, no? I'm so happy that we will be extending another 6.5 hectares. And I'm so happy that the actual occupants, no, the possessor, they are cooperating the local government unit and they understood, of course, the kind of development that we will be introducing years from now, mga higala. In our proposal before the Regional Development Council, ang atong gobernador si Chaco Garbaria, mga higala, no? Of course, he was told to identify 10 major projects for the RDC to approve, no? Ang atong RDC requirement ni before one national office can acquire a project, mga higala, before it will be presented dito sa NIDA for funding, mga higala. And one of those 10 major projects is Mabinay Spring. I was told by the governor, you prepare a 300 million worth of project proposal for Mabinay Spring, mga higala. That is why, mga higala, no? We reacquire another 6.5 hectares. Next week, mga higala, good, because the Sangguniang Bayan, they set aside 4 million. we will initially fence the area if only to start the regulation, especially in the in and out, and we'll be preparing already, of course, our improvements in the said area within years, mga higala. Salamat kayo sa ato ng mga Sanglibayan members. Masipang palakpak, mga higala. Sa orasan namin. Let's proceed, no? After tourism, of course, technological advancement, of course, all of us, nasayo naman the trend now, no? Atong teknolohiya. And of course, for these, we'll be providing more CCTVs in the area. If you wanted, that there will be easier solution, especially sa ato ng mga crime situation, no? Although isolated, mga higala, but you wanted a speedy solution. The very reason why we will be putting CCTVs in public places, mga higala. Of course, in relation to this, mga higala, no, we wanted to produce a smart market, a smart office, a smart L-Dream, no, mga higala. When we had the consultative meeting, Dindo really want to have a smart L-Dream office in this municipality. Of course, in his dream, mga higala, no, facility na naadiha ang atong training, naadiha ang atong operation center, mga higala, and all of those equipments that will be stored in the same area, it will be a smart one, mga higala. No? In relation to advancement, mga higala, we're so happy that Ma'am Chris is already starting, especially introducing modernization in our selection process, in our hiring process, in our promotion process. Thank you so much for the initiative, Ma'am Chris. Ma'am Chris is, by the way, functioning not only as head of the GSO, but concurrently, she is also the head of the HR. She is also the transformation officer, and she is also the manager of Mabini Spring. Muning naniwang ni si Ma'am Chris, mga higala, na masipang palakpak ni Ma'am Chris, no? And of course, after our technological advancement, let's proceed to health. Health is wealth, mga higala. Don't you know that for how many years, every year, the health budget is given the highest allocation? Because we're giving paramount importance to health. We wanted to promote the health of every Mabinianon to the optimum level, mga higala, no? Kaya nga naman, health is wealth, as I've said, no? If one of the members of the family is ill, everyone is affected. Kung na'y magilantan, kung na'y hospital sa itong pamilya, di na ganahan mo trabaho. Our productivity is affected. Our decision making is affected. And our economy is affected, mga higala. And it is for this reason that we're giving paramount importance to health, mga higala. Ang ato malungsod sa Mabinay is intending to acquire the Super Health Center, no? And we have submitted already the proposal very soon, no? We will be erecting the Super Health Center in Barangay Lumbangan, mga higala, no? Masipang palakpak. Thank you, Dr. Ernest Uy, Melanie Uy, and Dr. Tara Uy, mga higala. Dr. Tara Kanaylay, mga higala, no? Mga higala, no? Talking about health. In the entire province of Negros Oriental, I understand, usara ka lungsod nga adunay tulo ka main health center, mga higala. And very soon, ang atong Zone 3, no? Ang Rural Health Unit 3, mga higala, we will acquire a lying-in equipments, mga higala, mulahan, mas manindot pa ang atong serbisyo, labi na sa atong mga kamabinhan, o labi na sa atong mga inahan. Salamat kayo for the outstanding service sa atong mga tulo ka doctors o sa atong mga health personnel sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Masipang palakpak, mga higala. I'd like also to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Patola. Where is he? Masipang palakpak, Dr. Patola is one of the best doctor in the province of Negros Oriental. Masipang palakpak, mga higala, no? Every time we have a local health board meeting, no, we mention the name of Dr. Patola. He's one of the best manager, as I've said, talking about leading primary healthcare, mga higala. Siya may chief. If you notice, mga higala, you visit our hospital, we introduce substantial changes. And that is because of the good proposals sa ato nga doktor diha, mga higala. You have good service, you have good equipments, and it is our dream, no, together with the local leadership, that we convert that said hospital from infirmary status into a level 1 hospital, mga higala. Masipang palakpak, no? We had a talk before we started this SOMA, and I was told by the doctor that we need only 20 million for us to convert that one into a level 1 hospital. Kaya gasugod-sugod naman siya o acquire o mga equipments. Bulahan, mga higala, ang ato ng mga surgeries na uban, especially minor, cesarean, appendectomy, now can be operated diri sa ato malungsod sa Mabinay. For this, salamat kayo, Dr. Patula. Masipang palakpak ni Gaya, no? If we have a level 1 hospital, this will decongest, of course, kanang mga pasyente diha sa provincial hospital, no? Kaya dili naman tadagan o referrals, mga higala, no? So anyway, mga higala, after health, we proceed to the youth and sports. Housing, housing pa diay, no? Na pa diay. We have our dialysis center, no? It's the first dialysis center outside Dumaguete, no? Walay mga dialysis center ang mga lungsod except for Mabinay. This is a result of our PPP program, mga higala, private-public partnership, and this is one of the promise before Congressman Chikiting Garbaria left, that he's going to establish a dialysis center sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Salamat, former Congressman now Mayor Dumaguete, Chikiting Garbaria, for this initiation na higala, nanadyo tayo dialysis center sa lungsod sa Mabinay. Masipang palakpak ng higala, no? Then of course, housing. We have our housing projects already. Ang atong lungsod visit a site more or less 5 hectares to house 4 communities. And what are these? International. You have Taiwan, Thailand, Switzerland, and we have Finland. Wadyo mabalong sa Finland, no? It's pastors in love and devotion. Those are intended, that area is intended for the pastors. Masipang palakpak, mga higala. So what do you have? Finland, Taiwan, Thailand, Switzerland, na ay sa Japan, na ay Qatar, ring, na USA, unahan sa abis, naman po. So Mabinay is now international, mga higala, no? And of course, after that, let's proceed to another program, Youth and Sports, no? Thank you sa atong SKFED, Rica Abrio, for a very outstanding leadership sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay. Masipang palakpak, no? We recognize the presence of our SK chairperson also, chairman in this municipality. You know this, mga higala, no? Ang mga vicious kapatanunan, instead of hooking to drugs, mag-inom-inom this dumpling, no? They were diverted because of the continuous sport activities, continuous cultural activities of our SKFED President. Salamat o congratulations, SKFED President Rica Abrio, masipang palakpak, mga higala. And of course, we're so thankful that ang atong lungsod sa Mabinay, we have an LYDO office, of course, led by Avon Mission, mga higala. Masipang palakpak, no? She is the one coordinating our sports activities, coordinating our youth activities, mga higala. And of course, she is the one coordinating sa lungsod sa Mabinay when it comes to our sports policies, mga higala. And I'm happy to inform you, mga higala, na this is what we need. We have the other infrastructure support, but we need to develop our youth and sports. It is for this reason, no? That the Sangguniang Bayan members, mga higala, no? Consider this project of ours as one of the priority project, the so-called Mabinay Athletic Sports Oval and Facilities, mga higala, no? Ang atong lungsod sa Mabinay, very soon we will acquire another 5 hectares. Kung saan nato ng 5 hectares, we will erect, no, months from now, usa ka oval, grandstand, stadium, and other sports facilities, mga higala. Masipang palakpak to atong Sangguniang Bayan. Let's watch this video. This is the future of our Mabinay Sports Complex, mga higala. Masipang palakpak. Thank you. Ready to play? Those who wants to play pickle. Thank you, mga higala, no? And for this, I'd like to request everyone to please stand. No? Because can you raise your right hand? Hawak natin ang beat. No? Sit down, mga higala, no? Gano, mga higala, it cannot be done by just one person. Not only the mayor, but kinanglan ni exercise na to ang atong collective effort, mga higala, para mapadayon ang atong pag-uswag sa atong lungsod sa Mabinay. And I believe, no, with the teamwork, with your pledge, with your commitment, no, with your unity, mga higala, and so long God is there in our hearts and in our minds, nothing is impossible sa pag-uswag sa ato nga lungsod sa Mabinay. Mayong gabi, ug bingon ko, go, mabinay go.